My name is Leo Smith, bartender, chef, and owner of Hanoi Taco Bar. My great passion is discovering new flavors, ingredients, and cooking methods from different cultures all around the world. This passion has brought me to Vietnam, a country with a very diverse cuisine. In this episode of Fine Cuisine, join me as I head to Son La province. We'll discover the unique dishes this place has to offer. Son La lies in northwestern Vietnam. It's a mountainous province and is located about 700 meters above sea level. This is the home of many ethnic groups like Thai, King, and Hmong. The Thai community is the largest group and takes up more than half of the province's population. You can see their influence in traditional music and dances as well in the local cuisine. I've heard from many that Thai delicacies are some of the best in Vietnam. Well, there's only one way to find out. I'm just making my way down to Ban Bo village. Now I'm here to meet a man called Mr. Quan, who runs a homestay, famous for its Thai ethnic foods. Now, I've heard a lot of great things about it and I'm really excited to try it. Okay, let's go. The village lies on the outskirts of Son La city. You can get here by bus, then walk a short distance to the village, or catch a taxi from the city centre, which is about 5 kilometers away. It's quite busy at the weekends when tourists flock at the Thai-style homestays built by the locals. However, during normal days, Ban Bo is a quiet and relaxing place. The homestay is the first one in the village. Like most other Thai houses, this house is built almost entirely with wood. To build a good house, Thai people often spend years collecting the best wood available. Thai houses have a lot of decorations. You can see them on the walls or the intricate details on the balcony.
Homestay cô chú đẹp quá. Chú rất được lâu chưa?
Nhà tôi dựng từ năm 2005 và bây giờ được 13 năm rồi. Trước kia là nhà ở, sau thì gia đình tôi mới bắt đầu là cải tạo cũng như là nâng cấp cái nhà nghỉ này nó phù hợp với lại cho khách.
The homeowner has turned this place into a community house for tourists from all over the world. He designed his garden to be full of flowers and fruit trees to create a green space for visitors.
Đây là cái đồ trang trí của người dân tộc Thái. Khi người vào nhà người ta biết ngay là đây là nhà của người dân tộc Thái. Khách đến với gia đình tôi thì rất là đa dạng, nhất là khách quốc tế. Không gian ở đây nó yên tĩnh, không khí thì trong sạch.
Mr. Quan is also willing to show me some of the best dishes of Thai cuisine.
Đặc sản của chúng tôi thì rất là nhiều. Tối nay xin mời bạn xuống tham quan xem cách chế biến, rồi mời bạn thưởng thức cùng với gia đình chúng tôi.
I like the vibe around here. It's completely different from the hustle and bustle of Hanoi's inner city. Now's the time for me to forget everything and enjoy a relaxing vacation. Most families around the village raise their own chickens. These free-range chickens taste much better than the factory-raised chickens. Now I have to catch one for myself.
Gotcha.
The sun has set, the fire in the kitchen is now ready. Our first dish this evening is called gà mọ.
Đầu tiên sẽ chọn con gà, gà ta. Con gà to hơn thì ăn sẽ hơi dai hơn, còn vừa phải là ngon. Cái con cân 2 là chọn được.
The chef will then make a special batter.
Thấy đặc thì lại cho thêm một ít nước.
This thick, whitish liquid is what gives gà mọ its distinct texture and taste. The ingredients are quite simple: water and flour.
Cái bột này là bột gạo anh ạ.
Dạ là bột gạo.
Vâng.
Tại sao dùng bột gạo và không dùng bột mì hay bột ngô?
Dùng bột gạo thì nó ngon hơn. Bột ngô với bột mì thì nó ăn cái vị khác, nó không ra được cái món mọ gà. Bây giờ chúng ta có thể chặt gà thôi.
Afterwards, the chicken is chopped into smaller pieces. We crush the prepared herbs, get the juice mixed together so it can be soaked up by the meat.
Rất thơm.
Tiếp nữa không thể thiếu được với gà mọ này là húng chó. Đây là mắc khén này, gia vị đặc biệt của Tây Bắc, thể thay cho hạt tiêu, gia vị này rất là thơm.
And of course, the special batter we prepared.
Trộn đều.
The chicken will be steamed in the special Thai steamer for about an hour. The leaves wrapped around the chicken allows the moisture to stay in. You can leave them to cook a little longer and the meat will taste even more tender and tasty. These are the ingredients we will use to create the second dish: grilled pork wrapped in zong leaves. The pork is minced and put into a bowl. Then it is mixed with vegetables. Cải mèo is a leafy vegetable indigenous to northwestern Vietnam.
Đây là rau cải mèo anh ạ. Để em trộn với thịt để ăn ngấy hơn, ăn ngon hơn.
The chef will then add some seasonings. To top things off, an egg. Then mix them all together. Zong leaves are also used for this dish.
Cái lá dong thì nó có mùi thơm đặc biệt của lá dong. Khi nướng thì không bị cháy anh ạ.
Grilled dishes are a big part of Thai cuisine. Thai people only grill over the fire's embers. The zong leaves act as a protective layer against the heat. They also enhance the dish with some herbaceous flavors. The meat takes about 40 minutes to cook, but thanks to the zong leaves, you can leave them in a little longer. When the packages turn a golden brown, that means they are ready.
Xin mời, cảm ơn chú. Cảm ơn em ha. Cảm ơn cô. Cảm ơn, chúc sức khỏe. After a lot of hard work, mainly by you, you've really produced some fantastic food here. I can't wait to dive in. Wow, where should we begin? So this is the pork that we cooked inside the leaf. Some of the herbs that they've used, I've never really smelled anything like it before. It's quite citrusy. It has that kind of bitterness of the herbs, but a kind of interesting fragrance, a kind of very light grassy flavor. It's a little bit like thyme and oregano mixed together, but it's kind of tricky to describe. Very delicious. So let's try this chicken. I've got to try this chicken. It looks incredible. Wow. So the texture, it's soft, it's succulent. It's cooked all the way through, comes straight off the bone. The smell, all those herbs in it, a little bit sticky from that rice batter. Rất thơm, rất ngon.
Vâng.
What a lovely family. What a delicious dinner.